everybody, and welcome to another video. Today's video, we're not going to teach you how to do anything, but we are going to unbox the spring mystery box that I created with 143Vinyl.com. So if you haven't gotten your box yet, don't worry, it's coming, but you'll want to watch this video later so that you don't spoil your surprise. So just a warning, we are going to show everything that's included in the box, and then these next coming days, we will be having videos that show you how to make the different projects in the box. So just so you know, there are 4 full projects in the box. That includes the blanks, the vinyl, all the things that you need to make the project. And then there's enough extra product that you guys can make projects of your own. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to do everything, but first we need to see what's in there. So let's get started. And then don't forget, anytime that you shop on 143Vinyl.com, you can use code Corinne to save 5% on the website. It's a great way to save yourself some money, so be sure to use the code Corinne, and that way you guys can save yourself a little bit of cash, which always means that you can get more stuff for crafting. Let's get started and show you everything that's in the box. So excited to unbox this with you guys. This is our second mystery box with 143Vinyl.com, and I wanted to throw some different things into this box so that we could really make some really fun and interesting things. So I've untaped it because I hate cutting tape, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox. So you're gonna get a pretty big box, and I hope you guys will be excited about everything that's in here. So what we'll do, go ahead and pull the paper out. And I'm gonna go over everything that comes in this box, and then we're gonna start posting some videos about different projects that we're gonna do with the items in our box. So you should receive a list of items that is in your box. If for some reason you do not receive a list, reach out to the 143Vinyl customer service. They will be more than happy to assist you and either email you a list, or they can definitely get you a list one way or the other. And then I can also put the list up on my group, my Facebook group, after I'm sure that everyone has their boxes. So I'm gonna put this over to the side, and we'll go over everything that is going to come in your box. So the first thing I'll pull out is this adorable color changing tumbler. This is a plastic tumbler, and I picked a blue one. I really liked the blue. I think the blue can really work for just about anybody, but you will get both the tumbler and the lid, and they match. So I picked out full blue, and then you also get a straw to go with it. Your tumbler is gonna change from a light blue to a dark blue, and this is just a really fun cup. I really like these. They are really cool. The next thing that you'll see is this wooden stick. Now, I promise this is not as confusing as it looks. This is going to go with another piece that comes in your mystery box. The next thing that you'll see is this white box. Now, this one I was really excited about. So let me get this plastic out of the way, and I'll go ahead and open this. This one I was really excited about for you guys because it's one of my absolute favorite things. We got a stainless steel tumbler. So this one here is the Hotties brand 30-ounce tumbler, and you can see that this is the skinny tumbler, and it's so cute, and I love that it has the little slidey top on the lid, and it is really high quality. These are really, really nice, but we're going to be able to use these with a couple of different things. You can absolutely just place vinyl on these. You could use these with a glitter tumbler, anything that you want, but we're going to use vinyl on these, so I can't wait to show you the vinyl that we get. So we'll go through a couple more things. So you have quite a few products that you can do to make actual projects with, which I love. So now I'm gonna go ahead and slide this down because we have quite a few things in this little package. And I'll just put the plastic right in the box, and we'll slide the box out of the way. So let's let this unroll a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that we're gonna get in here. So one thing that we're gonna get is the natural colored canvas tote. This is a cotton tote, so you won't be able to sublimate on it, but we're gonna use HTV on it, and I'm so excited. I love their totes. They're such a good size, good quality, and they're really easy to use, and this natural color is really pretty. Then we also have a garden flag. This is one of my favorite designs. This is the little mason jar with the flowers on it, and I just feel like this could really go with anything. And this is one of those designs that just, I feel like, goes with a bunch of different seasons. You could use this for spring, you could use this for summer, so it's really good. You could use it for Mother's Day, Easter, lots of options, but I just thought this one would be perfect to add to our box. And the last thing we have that isn't vinyl is going to be in this bubble wrap, and this one I'm really excited about. We wanted to put one of these in last mystery box, but they were out of stock. So I was so determined that you guys were gonna get one this time. And if you already have one, don't worry, it's nice to have extras. I got you guys a pin pen weeding tool. These are my favorite weeding tools. They are so high quality. They are really nice and easy to work with, and I really wanted you guys to get a pin pen, and you'll notice that it's red, so it matches all the stuff that you got in the last box. So we'll go ahead and slide that back in. You get a little case to keep it in. This is great if you forget to like unclick it because your pin is safe inside the little case. Now on to the vinyl. Guys, I'm so excited. Now I am gonna reference my list so that I can make sure that I give you guys all of the different names of everything because we do have quite a few things in here. So I'll start here at the bottom because these are HTV and I'm really excited for these because this is a pattern that I am obsessed with, and I know people struggle a lot when it comes to patterned vinyl. So this here is patterned HTV in roses and berries, and then included with that is your heat transfer mask. This is really important because this product doesn't come with a carrier sheet on the front. This is a vinyl that you will cut face up. You will not mirror your image and will apply this on top, which is a reason I really wanted to include this in our mystery box because I really think that you guys are going to absolutely love working with patterned vinyl once you kind of see how to do it. So this is a really cool product. Really excited to show you guys how to work with that. Then we have some more HTV, and I included some colors that will complement that HTV. I really think that these colors are really pretty with that pattern, and I think you guys will love them. So we have 3 different ones. We have bubblegum, lavender, and pale blue. These are Caesar Easy Weed. I wanted to give you guys some Caesar Easy Weed for this project because we did Starcraft Soft Flex in the last, and I do love the Caesar Easy Weed line as well. Again, these are all products that I truly enjoy, love working with, and I wanted you guys to get a chance to check them out. But I thought these colors would complement those flowers beautifully, very springy, summery look. So we'll show you guys how to do some things with these. Then I did include some Starcraft in here because I wanted to make sure that we had some options with the adhesive vinyl as well. So we're getting 2 colors of Starcraft HD, a powder blue, which is one of their newer colors, and it's beautiful, and then this gorgeous gray. I thought this gray would be absolutely stunning to go with just about anything, and this is just both in matte. I really do prefer the matte Starcraft. It's just a personal preference thing, but I just think the matte looks really, really nice. Then we also have a couple more little surprises here for you. Flip these over. Look how pretty these are. So I included for you guys the Style Tech opals. We have opal pink and opal yellow. Now what I love about these is that depending on which way you look at them, it's gonna depend on what color they look like. So I just love these. Like you can see it's kind of purpley, and then if you tilt it, it's very pink. You can get some yellows and some blues in this. So these are absolutely gorgeous. And then last but not least is this really fun vinyl. This is Sun Purple. So I'm using a UV light because it's obviously not sunny in my room. But with this UV light, I'm gonna turn it purple for you. Check that out. Now I feel like the camera is not really giving this the dark purple that it really turns, but this turns such a beautiful purple color. Can you see how dark it is right there where I kind of left the light on it? It is such a fun vinyl. This changes color with UV light. So like I said, I'm using a UV flashlight. You guys can see it's on. And you can do this outside, and it's really, really, really cool. So this is just a really fun one. This is again Style Tech Sun Purple. So I wanted to give you guys a bunch of different options for things that we can make. So we'll go over these one more time. So we have Style Tech Sun Purple, 2 opals by Style Tech, yellow and pink. We have 2 Starcraft HD in matte, pale blue, and gray. We have 3 sheets of Caesar Easy Weed, bubblegum, lavender, and pale blue. We also then have the Heat Transfer Mask, this really beautiful Roses and Berries HTV that we're gonna use. Like I said, these I think are gonna match so pretty. Look at how nice those look together. I can't wait to show you guys some options to do with this. We also then have this beautiful garden flag, a natural colored tote. You got a red pin pen. So excited. This is the garden flag holder to go with your garden flag. We got a color changing cup. This is in blue with a blue lid and a straw. And then we also got the awesome 30-ounce stainless steel tumbler. There is so much fun stuff in this mystery box. We have tons of cool projects that we are gonna complete. We have 4 complete projects in this mystery box that we are gonna do together, and then we'll use some of the other products too to do some more different things with. It's really fun, but I wanted to make sure that you guys got some blanks to use with your products, and I cannot wait to get started. So if you guys got a mystery box, let me know down in those comments below. If you want me to continue to do mystery boxes, please let me know. I love doing these. They're really fun for me. They're fun for 143. We have such a good time putting together everything that goes in them. If you guys want something every season, let me know. I'm thinking I would love to do one each season with you guys. So this would be like our spring, summer, and then we'll do like a fall, winter maybe. But these are really fun, and I really think that you guys are gonna get to try some stuff that you haven't tried before. So I'm excited. I'm gonna have a whole playlist. We will start posting some videos using these products very, very soon for you guys. I'm so excited to get started. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.